Hi, my name is Guadalupe, and I'll be teaching you today from the book Statistical Reasoning. The chapter that I'll be going over with you today will be 5.1, which is the normal, which is also considered normal distribution. For fairly distance between a shape, it's easier for overlay histogram for a smooth curve. An example could be the data that is closely approximately to the bell-shaped curve is called the normal distribution. Therefore, um, the mean is same as the mode. Uh, the medium is due to the birth, so their distribution is spread out that makes it resemble to a bell shape, which I'll provide you with another example, which is called a single peak, or it's called a symmetric. All normal distributions have the same characteristics as a bell shape that can differ per mean and vary their variation. As you can see, this is a larger standard deviation, which is smaller, which is the largest one. So it's the opposite. For a smaller deviation standard, it will be more higher the peak point. So it will be the opposite. Between small equals a little bigger with a higher peak, and large will equal with the medium peak. The definition of a normal distribution is a symmetric bell shape distributed with a single peak. Its peak corresponds to the mean as mean, median, and mode. The distribution is varied, can be characterized by standard deviation. As you can see, according to my table here, which is this is the total under area of the entire curve equals to 1 or to 100%. The region is 12%, which a total area is under a curve. The region for this one will be 18%, which is the total under the curve. So the relative frequency of the birds can be more than 15 days before the due date. So here's a closer look. A quick example of this, what I'm talking to you about, would be this. Okay, so we're gonna see the difference between a normal distribution and like an irregular distribution. The distribution in figure, this one is nearly symmetric, which means it's between the 30 inches, which is far less common, and is giving a bell shape for a normal distribution. The normal distribution in figure B, it shows that more states have low population density and have a fewer higher densities. The fact of this distribution is a right skewed, which is not a normal distribution. So that's really basically what 5.1 explains to you. So this is a normal distribution, which gives you the bell shape, and this is a skew, which is not a normal distribution. Okay, so that's basically it for 5.1. I hope you understood and learned a little bit of my lecture. Thank you and have a great day.